let me tell you about the space that I'm in right now. I'm committed to change, which means that in order for change to happen, change has to happen, which is fine. I accept it, I get it. But that means all aspects of your life, not just not just career, not just health, not just family, all of them, like everything. There's parts of your life that you need to work on. And so as you move along in a journey of change, what happens is that you have multiple tracks that's happening. So you have the family track or the career track or relationship track, and you get up to a place where you would normally do the behavior that you've been doing. But when you are committed to change, that means that you have to actually change. And so what happens is you get to what feels like a barrier, but it's really a test to see if you're really committed to that change that you're talking about. And then you may pass, you may stall a little bit. I mean, you may pass right away, right? You're going to eventually pass if you're committed to change, but you may get to a place where you're stalled in this lane of family. But in career, change is moving right along. But in health, you're stalled. So you have all of these multiple tracks going on, and you're trying to commit to change, which means that you get a little stressed. It's stressful. It's hard. It's not easy. That's why we have been repeating the same behavior, because every time we get to this place, you have two tracks. You can do what you've been doing, or you can do something different. And so when you're committed to change, that means that everything that you have been doing in the past that didn't work clearly, you're saying, I'm not doing that anymore. I'm going to commit to finding another way. So yeah, that's the space that I'm in. I'm saying this because I know that there's a lot of people in this space, especially since COVID. COVID introduced this opportunity to start opening these little windows to our mind of the past, and what things do we really want to, what do we want our lives to look like? Like after this is over, it's not going to be over, but after this season, what do you want your life to look like? And what that means is that a lot of people are in a space right now where they're trying to figure out, and they're trying to map out and provide a foundation for the life that they actually wanted, not the actual life that they have. But again, that requires a lot. It's challenging, it's difficult, but it's doable. Every so often you get a win in one of those lanes, or you might complete that lane, and now that one's off the table. But that's just to let you know that don't stop, because actually if you made it with this lane, those other lanes, family, health, career, relationship, whatever, they all have a chance of winning too. So we can do it. Oh, that actually hurt. We can do it.